this is a quick video we're gonna make. So what's going on is the handle broke. You know how you pull the handle, just like you've seen. This is the brand new one I just bought out. The handle from this one broke, but as you can see, the brand new one that I just bought, the color is not the same, so it's different color. So what I'm gonna do is take this handle out. The fact that the thing itself, as far as the plate itself, or should I call it, there's nothing wrong with it. It's just the fact that the handle itself broke. So I already undo the electrical connection. As far as the button, I think that's the window button right there. Okay, so that's I already took that out. So what I am going to do is take that little piece out, so you can see how it come out. All you gotta do is hit it from this side. See the hole right there? Hit it through here, and the whole pin come out here, and take it out from that one and place it to the old one where everything match. That's what we're gonna do. So anyway, as we were saying, we're just gonna go ahead and take this board out. So we went ahead. That's a little pin right there that was in the brand new one, holding everything, holding this one, little spring, and the handle itself. So now we got that. So we're gonna go ahead and take that out. That, what we're gonna do is, as you can see how this thing is, and you see how this is. So we're gonna have to pry that together, closing it, and then knock it out from here so it can come out here. So as you can see, this is how this thing is looking like. So all we have to do, get a little screwdriver in here and knock it out so it can come out of here. So we tried our best to do just a little bit of damage, but that's not gonna show. Okay, so again, we use a flat screwdriver, and all we do, pry it out just like that, and this is how it come out. After we don't do that, so for us, this is alright. So now we're going to transfer the brand new part to the old one. Alright, now this is how the door handle looking like. We basically put everything back together. So now we just gonna go ahead and place the whole door handle to the door. This is where we go ahead and we put our connection, as far as electrical, whatever, wiring back to the handle, to the door panel handle, however you want to call it. Then we're just gonna go ahead and hook that to the little hoops, little hole you got right there, and then put the little screw right there in the center, and we should be good to go. Now this is your door handle. Okay. Alright guys.